Hello, everybody. This is Mike for Road to the Illuminati. I Saw the Future, Part 7 and 8. Ancestral Roots, The Memory of Stone Tree, Part 6. Petroglyph, etched not on stone alone, but layered tree bark, melted into the petrified trunks of once living giant, each symbol a memory, a message stored in carbon skin over time frozen wood. The Giza Plateau, the pyramid, not merely carved from rock, but from the fossilized trunks of trees so vast they touched the sky. Block by block, not quarried, but cut from the same living whole, they fit together seamlessly, grow as one, requiring no mortar, a single organism, this assembled with divine precision and reassembled with eternal monuments. You cannot carbon date that which existed before decay. The only thing immune to time is the time which has passed through it, into a state beyond oxidization, oxygenless air, O2, negative O. They use plasma-edged blades, swords of pure resonance, to slice through trunk flesh with surgical divinity. These trees, God enrooted from, were placed here within this galaxy because the sun was bright enough to nourish their consciousness. Some plateau their heightened breath, defy comprehension, are not landforms, but the upper branches, the crown of ancestral roots. Some branches became continents, others planets. Some evolved into pyramids, some into skyships, rockets, temples, power plants. Each part of the tree was sacred, each repurposed with intent. From trunk to crown, life gave itself so life might emerge. The tree lived, and God, not above but within, was its aware, its breath, its becoming. End of part 7. Now, part 8 of I Saw the Future. If the possibility exists of simultaneous parallel physical universe, one could speculate if would require immense amounts of energy far beyond what any single population could sustain. But what if parallel universes do exist and they are not separate realities but reflection of the same reality we inhabit? It would be that these alternate universes are shaped by the perception of their observed people, who see what they want to see and pass judgment, sailing their opinion with the power of first impression, which often lasts forever. In physical form, I strongly believe there is only one physical universe, the reality we all share. What truly changes is the mirror image of one's reflection in another's mental and emotional space. When we look inward, we realize that while there may be billions to the power of infinite and countless life forms, we are all uniquely human, originating from planet Earth. Without a doubt, we exist elsewhere simultaneously, depending on how much time have expanded since its statement was written and the memory moment you read it. Those parallel universes are mimic reproductions of our conscious form, able to be swapped, interchanged, and intertwined. But no matter how many times you try to split, shrink, and duplicate, this reality remains. We all exist here across all metaverses and multiverses. Different versions of ourselves also exist. Regarding time expansion, if time is a dimension, then forward motion can be thought as the sum of all minutes and seconds added together, like a ledger balancing itself. Geographic dimensions are arranged in a way on a 3D grid. Gravity, however, is retrospective to our current state, while other dimensions may have different physical law. Each dimension experiences its own dilation depending on the conscious observation with it. If matter has no accounting in inertia, then time becomes a form of currency. If something is not observed, time does not exist for it, meaning matter may never truly come into being. Once thought motion enters the intermented spectrum, whether seen or unseen, both visible and measurable dimensions contort themselves depending on the point of reference, influenced by centripetal force, and inner mass. So, how big are we, or how small, and how does this compare to the scale of our consciousness? Want me to expand on any of these ideas or integrate this into a larger metaphysical narrative? This was Mike for Road to the Illuminati, Part 7 and Part 8. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe.